Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will make chicken soup right from the uh, chicken carcass barbecue chicken, and that's what I put it in this pot here. I will add some vegetable later. Now I'm adding this one chopped onion and about three stalks of celery and two carrots into this pot here. And then uh, we'll cover this and let it boil for at least an hour. Hi guys, I think my uh, carcass chicken bones, and for Canadian called it carcass. Excuse me. I'm just gonna strain this and put that back into the pot. Straining this in a different pot. This one here. I'm using the strainer. Remove this. Take the meat out of there. Now I got the juice separated, the vegetables and the meat from the chicken and the bones. So I let it boil. Now the juice is boiling, so I will add one package of instant noodles to the soup. Just one package, and pour the meat. Add salt and pepper. And let it boil for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Now I can add this is a celery leaves. And then add the rest of the vegetables. Put the lid back and let it boil. Chicken noodle soup is ready, guys, and then I will add the last but not the least is the green onions. So, what it tastes?
Better than Campbell's.
Better than Campbell's, eh?
Yep. Good.
Homemade is the best, right?
Absolutely every time. Best big chunks of chicken. You get that chicken noodle soup. Yeah, big vegetable like that is a half a carrot. It's all good. It's all good. I mean.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Our video. See you again on my next video. Bye-bye.